beauty of having children. So came into the room, found one of my boxes open, and apparently the little one got into my my stash. I mean, I'm pretty mad. More than anything, I'm mad that he's putting cardboard in his mouth. I mean, the card is damaged. It is what it is. I didn't really get mad about the car. I got mad more because he's eating cardboard. Luckily, I have like 2 more of these, so we're gonna crack this one open. Now, everybody probably already has this one, and if you don't, best luck to you, my brother, my sister. I hope you find this piece, because this is a really beautiful Datsun, and more because it's from the ID series, and these are pretty expensive. So luckily these are the, I think, the dollar ones, and the other ones, the ones that come in the box, are like $7. So beautiful casting. That's beautiful. I think the paint sprinkler flame, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments please. And rubber wheels, no rubber wheels, but you do got the nice paint job. There is the basic version, which is just the orange color. Very cool, very cool. And there it is in the bottom of the chip. It says Hot Wheels. Someday we'll get some tracks, we'll get some of those pieces so we can try it out, see what's all the fuss. And very cool. But yeah, the little one damaged the card. Luckily, that's why I'm kind of not angry. I don't think I've ever gotten angry of my kids opening up my cars. But this one, my brother, when he got here from Montana, when he moved down here, he gave me one, and then I happened to find one. This one was the first one I got. I think my dad gave it to me. So yeah, the one my dad found, yeah, got damaged. So I'm trying to keep one of these intact. So I mean, the good thing is that I have 2 more. That's the good part. And if I ever lose those, or those get damaged, I can hit up my brother. Super. He gets a couple. I'll go steal one from him. So yeah, hope y'all are having a good day. Good luck hunting. Hope you find this particular casting, because it is a good one. Good luck, y'all. Peace. Have a good one.